Hello?
Hey, I'm Officer Pasillas. I'm with the Seymour Police Department. So the reason why I stopped, can you put your car in park, please?
Yes.
So the reason why I stopped you is because it's a hands-free and you can't be driving, recording or, you know. Do you care if I ask what you're doing?
Yeah. Do I have to tell you?
You don't have to. So.
It's not because I was recording you at the gas station, is it?
Well, yeah, that's what caught my attention. You were recording, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then also when you continued eastbound, obviously, there's a lane change that you made from the left lane to the right lane. You didn't use your turn signal, okay? So, are you just in a hurry or something, or?
No.
Okay. All right. Do you have your license on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you live here in Seymour?
Nope. I actually live out in the country in Jackson County.
Okay.
I'm just recording you because you people have been harassing me.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What was that?
I'm just recording you because you people have been harassing me, and I consider it self-defense to record you.
Who's you people, I guess?
Seymour Police Department.
Really, this is the first time I've ever seen your name or heard of your name.
That's fine.
So, like I said, that's what caught my attention. And then also, your lane change without a turn signal, okay? I'm not fixing you to give you a ticket or anything like that. I'm not, you know, I don't like giving tickets out. I just like bringing awareness to people. Did you know that if you are distracted, you are 7 times more likely to get in an accident than an intoxicated driver? So essentially, being on your device is a lot more dangerous than being intoxicated. However, being intoxicated is not a good idea either. And then obviously when you're distracted, then obviously you forget to use your turn signals and stuff like that, okay?
So even sitting when I'm sitting parked, I can't have anything in my hands?
You can, yep, yeah you can. So when you're parked at a light, you can be recording, you can record on your phone, on your camera, and all this and that. But once the vehicle starts moving forward, then you can't record. Or I'm sorry, you can't have, your hands have to be on the wheel, I guess.
I thought it was just cell phones, or I wouldn't have been
What was
doing
that?
it. I thought it was just cell phones, or I wouldn't have been doing that.
No, that's all right. And then also, like technically, you could be on reverse and be on your phone. The Indiana IC code only states when in forward motion. You see? All right. As long as your license check's found out, I'm not going to give you a ticket, okay?
Well, I won't do that again then. I don't.
No, that's all right, sir. I mean, everything we do, I record, so. But again, I'll be honest with you. Yes, that's what caught my attention, the device, and then obviously the signal. Okay. Seymour 112 1027. Martin, how do you say your last name, sir?
Dippled.
Dipple?
Dippled.
Dipple. Martin Dippold, 1130 of 70. License number 8943581723. Alrighty, sir. Do you care if I ask like how you're being harassed or how you feel that you're being harassed?
I'm not going to say anything.
That's okay. That's alright. Alright, sir. Like I said, just going to give you a verbal warning, okay? You just make sure your return is good and everything, so. Good? Goodbye, it's valid. Alright, sir, here's your license. Do you have any questions?
No, no.
Okay, you have a good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too.
Thank you.
Do you want me to pull out first, or
What was that?
me pull out first?
Went safe. Yep.
Okay, alright, thank you.